Hello, and welcome to Dashtoon Studio. In our AI-native comic creation platform, you'll encounter two key object types: frames and pages. In this video, we'll break down what frames and pages are and how you can make the most of them while creating your comic. A frame is a rectangular box on your canvas. It's an object used to generate images. You can place one or multiple images inside the frame and use them in your generations. Think of a canvas as a panel in your comic, and just like your comic's panels come in different shapes, the frame here can also take various forms. You can add frames using the Frame tool from the left toolbar, edit generation settings from the right panel, and change its shape from its settings. Starting with a blank canvas, let's first create some frames. In the Tools section, you'll find the Frame tool. Click on it to create a frame, or use the shortcut F for quicker access. This is how we create frames. You can create multiple frames of various shapes and sizes by selecting the desired options from the contextual menu or simply dragging the corners of a frame to adjust its dimensions. But what should be the shape and size of a frame? The shape of a frame depends on the scene and the image you want to create. For example, if you need to depict a man walking, a vertical frame works best as it focuses on the individual and avoids unnecessary empty space, resulting in a larger, clearer figure. Conversely, if you have three people sitting at a table, a horizontal frame is more suitable. A vertical frame would leave too much empty space and force the AI to fill it with random elements, making the scene look cluttered. With a horizontal frame, the table and people fit comfortably, creating a balanced and visually appealing image. Selecting the appropriate frame shape and size based on the scene, the number of characters, and the desired composition ensures the best results for your comic. We get a clear idea of frame shapes and sizes from the story as we try to visualize your scenes. Now, let's talk about selecting the frame size. The ideal size for frames is between 1000 pixels and 1600 pixels. If a frame size exceeds 1600 pixels, it becomes too large for the AI and the studio to process efficiently, resulting in slower generation times. You'll also receive a notification stating, "Frame size should not be more than 1600 pixels for best performance." Conversely, if the frame size is too small, like 400 to 500 pixels, you can generate an image, but the generated image will be of low quality. To ensure high-quality images, keep the frame size within the range of 1000 rosers to 1600 pixels. If you have a frame that's too large but has the correct shape, simply maintain the aspect ratio and resize it to fit within this range. A page, on the other hand, refers to a single strip of the comic. Using the Page tool from the left toolbar, you can add more pages to your canvas, allowing you to expand your comic with additional strips. You can also adjust the size of your page by dragging the bottom edge to extend it as needed. A page can hold multiple panels, speech bubbles, post-processing effects, and other assets. Pages are the only publishable objects on your canvas. So, if you've created a comic and want to publish it, click the Publish button. The pages on your canvas will be selected, and you can choose and reorder them to publish on the Dashtoon mobile app. In the Tools section, you'll find the Page tool. Click on it to create a page, or use the shortcut P. Pages, and more importantly, how the panels and dialogues are laid out on the page, can have a big impact on your comic. By understanding and applying the appropriate frame shapes and sizes, you can create visually appealing and well-structured comics. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.